If you have this Astronaut Starlight Galaxy projector, you probably know that the Astronaut regularly falls over because the base doesn't hold it in place. Well, today I'm going to show you how to easily fix it forever. I tried to glue the base to the legs, but that was unsuccessful. Therefore, ask your grandmother for 2 screws. They don't need to be long, a few centimeters will be enough, and a narrower screw head will be the best choice. Next, decide which side of the base you want as the front. Measure where to make the hole. However, a drill isn't absolutely necessary. You can easily drive the screw in without a drill, since this plastic is soft. As you can see now, this Astronaut Starlight projector can survive an earthquake without any problems and will never lose its base again. Press that like button if this fixed this annoying situation with the falling Astronaut projector,